Hey everyone, today I have for you guys a makeup tutorial, and this isn't just any like normal tutorial. I'm doing my Instagram followers pick my makeup challenge. So last week I did a bunch of polls on Instagram with like 2 options for each like makeup category, and you guys voted on what products you wanted me to use. This video is actually a collab with one of my friends here on YouTube named Hannah. She's also doing a video just like this where her Instagram followers pick her makeup as well. If you guys aren't already subscribed to her channel, make sure to head over there now and subscribe and watch her video. I will have her channel linked in my description box below, and I will have her video like this linked there as well. She does a bunch of different style videos on YouTube. She does like makeup videos, she does fashion videos, and she does like vlogs and fun stuff like that. And I'm also gonna have her Instagram link there as well. Her Instagram feed is seriously so good, you guys, so make sure to go and check her out. So yeah, I'm just gonna be going through all of the products that you guys picked, and I'm gonna have to come up with a makeup look based on what you guys chose, and there were some interesting choices. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, and I'm also doing a giveaway right now for reaching 10,000 subscribers. I will have a link for that in my description box below. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I asked you guys what moisturizer I should use today, and you guys had the option between the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer and the Tatcha the Water Cream Moisturizer. So 46% of you guys picked the Neutrogena Moisturizer, and 54% chose the Tatcha the Water Cream Moisturizer, which I was happy about. I really do like both moisturizers, but the Tatcha one I like a little bit more. So for primer, I gave you guys the option of the Touch in Sol No Pore Primer or the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. 34% of you guys chose the No Pore Primer, and 66% chose the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which I have not used in such a long time. It used to be like my favorite primer, but then I stopped using it, so this was an interesting pick. I for sure thought you guys were going to choose the Touch in Sol No Pore Primer. For foundation, I gave you guys the options of either the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, which I have not used in forever, and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. 27% of you guys picked the Makeup Forever Foundation, and 73% picked the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I need to start using this more. I don't know why I haven't been using it in a while. I think I've just been like stuck on my Hourglass foundation lately. For concealer, the options were the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer or the Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Concealer. And 60% of you guys picked the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and then 40% picked the Makeup Revolution Concealer. So I'm happy about this choice. Either way, I would have been okay with whatever concealer because I really like both of them. Alright, so to set that concealer in place, I gave you guys the options of the Coty Airspun Powder or the Maybelline Fit Me Powder, and this one was pretty close. 45% of you guys picked the Coty Airspun Powder, and then 55% chose the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Out of those 2 powders, I do prefer the Airspun Powder just a little bit more. Next up we have bronzer, and I gave you guys the options between the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and I was honestly pretty surprised by the results of this. 43% of you guys picked the Butter Bronzer, and 57% picked the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I really like the Physicians Formula one a lot, so I was a little disappointed in this one, but I still do like this bronzer. For blush, I gave you guys the choices of the Too Faced Love Flush Blush or the Note Cosmetics Blush, which I got in like my last BoxyCharm, and 62% of you guys picked the Too Faced Love Flush Blush. This one is in the shade Love Hangover. Next up we have a highlighter, and the choices were the Milani Strobe Light Highlighter or the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter. And 57% of you picked the Ofra highlighter and 43% picked the Milani, so it was pretty close. So I'm going to be applying the Ofra highlighter with a Morphe M510 brush, and this highlighter is super blinding. Oh my god. This is definitely the most blinding highlighter that I own. So before I do my brows, I like to do my eyeshadow just so they don't get like eyeshadow all in my brows after they're already done. And I gave you guys some interesting choices for this category. I had the Sephora Pro Editorial Palette, and then I had the Tarte Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette. This one was really close like the entire time that the voting was open. And the final result ended up being 56% of you guys picked the Sephora Pro Editorial Palette and 44% picked the Tarte palette. Whenever I put the Sephora palette in here, I kind of didn't really think you guys would pick it just because I hadn't used the other palette on my channel. So yeah, I'm about to have to get creative. So I'm going to be using the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. So I'm first going to go in with this white shade and just put this all over my lid. These shadows are seriously so pigmented. I feel like these Sephora palettes are super underrated. So one of you guys actually sent me a message on Instagram yesterday and asked me if I can do a sunset eyeshadow tutorial. So I think I'm gonna try something like that. So I'm gonna take my Morphe E27 brush and dip into this like peachy orangish shade, and I'm gonna put this all throughout my crease. So now I'm going to dip into a tiny bit of that like actual bright orange shade, and I'm just going to kind of blend this along the edges. So now I'm going to go into this like deep pink magenta color, and I'm going to blend this a little bit lower into my crease. And now I'm going to do the same thing but with this dark purple. I'm also going to take that purple on my finger and just put this all over my lid. So here's where we're at right now. I'm gonna clean up the edges with a little bit of powder because it got kind of messy. So while that powder is just sitting there, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So for brows, you guys had the choice between the Anastasia Dip Brow or the like L'Oreal pomade, and 71% of you guys picked the Anastasia Dip Brow, so you guys did good because I definitely like that one a lot more than the L'Oreal one. So I'm just going to wipe away this powder. And now I'm going to finish off my lower lash line. I'm first going to go back in with that peachy orange shade, and I'm just going to blend this all underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a flat definer brush and take that like dark pink, and I'm going to put this shade a little bit closer to the lash line. And then I'm going to do the same thing with that dark purple. So I did include like glitters in the choices. I'm not really sure why I did that, but I gave you guys the option between the Cover FX glitter and a Stila, like, you know, the liquid glitter and glow eyeshadows. And 59% of you guys picked the Stila one. So I guess I'm gonna use this. I'm probably just gonna put it on my inner corner. So now it is time for mascara. You guys had the options between the Tarte Tarteist mascara or the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. 44% of you guys picked the Tarte mascara and 56% picked the Benefit Roller Lash. So I'm just gonna take the Benefit Roller Lash mascara and I'm first gonna put this on my bottom lashes. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my top lashes before I apply false lashes. So for false lashes, I gave you guys the options of the Ulta Beauty and Melissa Michelle Bling on the Glam lashes or the Pure Pro eyelashes in the style Socialite, and 59% of you guys picked the Pure lashes. While that lash glue is drying, I'm going to take the Ofra highlighter that I used on my face and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. So now that lashes are on, we are almost done. So I gave you guys the options for lipstick between 2 shades of the ColourPop Matte Luxe lipsticks. One of them was like a warm toned nude and then the other one is a super like bright hot pink, which I don't think you guys could tell in the picture. And 56% of you guys picked the hot pink lipstick. So that's what I'm gonna be wearing today. It is the ColourPop Matte Luxe lipstick in the shade Maxed Out. I was really hoping for the nude. So the last makeup category to pick from was setting spray, and I gave you guys the options between the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray or the Morphe setting spray, and this one was probably like the closest. 48% of you guys picked the Urban Decay makeup setting spray, and then 52% of you guys picked the Morphe one, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe one today. Alright, so this is the completed look. I am pretty happy with how it turned out. The only thing that I'm not really crazy about is the lip shade. I feel like this lip shade is pretty, but just not with this look I have going on right now. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I had a really fun time filming it. If you did like it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And before you leave, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.